We're installing a diesel hot water system in this Iveco Daily, and I wanted to do a separate video on how to install the fuel pickup on the center unit of the diesel tank of the car. In the Iveco Daily, it's very simple because as some old Fiat Ducatos, it's got a couple of nipples which are essentially available for an auxiliary mounting point. So basically we will drill and tap an M6 thread, and then we're going to install this fuel straw that it will be going to the bottom of the tank. I already measured and cut it to the appropriate length. Ideally we would cut it and leave 1 centimeter from the bottom of the tank, just to not pick up all the contaminants, but also to not use the last bit of the fuel, so people have that last bit of fuel reserved for doing just the driving. So for doing the hole, I'm going to be tapping to get the center right. It's pretty slippery. Then you can either do a center hole, which we are going to do, or you can go directly with the appropriate size for the tap that you're going to use. Now we'll use the tap just to and finally we will install the fuel pickup . And that's going to be a good orientation. The 2 elbows for fuel will come up here and the connection point will be here, and for that reason this could be a good option for going through with the rubber joiner that will do the connection to the nylon fuel line. So now we're just going to do a slight bend just to copy a little bit better the movement of the center unit. And yep, that is it. Very simple in this case. Now we will reinstall the center unit in the tank and connect the fuel line after we put the backing nuts that supports the center unit. Okay, here we are again. This time we're going to reinstall the center unit in the tank. A little squishy here, so sorry about that. So here we've got a little arrow, and here we got another little arrow, and those 2 little arrows should be aligned for the center unit to be on the right position. And the other thing we want to make sure is that this little O-ring is sitting properly just before the thread. So once that we got that all going, we can press on the center unit, start doing the nuts. Once we're done with the hand tightening, here we've got the point that needs to be aligned with this as well. So we will use the proper tool to keep going. Alright, so that's that. I will give it another clean before I connect things, just to prevent all that dirt to go into the tank. And that is pretty much it. Then it's just connecting the points that we already disconnected before, the rubber line and the fuel nylon line all going to the fuel pump. Rightio, that's the last sneak peek before we put the tank up. So now all the connections are made. We'll then route them how they need to be routed, but essentially that would be all the connections. And now we're going to put this dust protection. Ooh, I don't know where it is. Should be not too far away. So there's this foam that goes over these gaps to prevent the dust, not that well, to prevent the dust from accumulating in this low spot. But now then the tank is going to go up. We'll put corrugated conduit to protect this line, and we'll route it through this chassis member all the way to the back to put the pump and connect to the heater.